Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about SAVESRM and LOADSRM commands within MainView SRM. So let's start with the Easy SRM menu, which is our main menu when we get into the SRM panels. We can access our dataset views one of two ways. We can either go to Dataset Management option and then go to Dataset Filtering right here. Or we can just take the shortcut and type in Easy DSA, which takes us to our dataset analysis menu. From here, we're going to do dataset filtering. We're going to bring up our MPD dialog, and we're going to type in some fields. So we're going to check all the RDG datasets. This would be something that you would want to do on a regular basis. We're going to look for a size, so greater than, say, we'll do 10,000 kilobytes, and maybe greater than 5 days not referenced. So these are going to be our input values. These are things that we would do on a regular basis for a repeatable report. Hit PF3 to process the list, and now we have our list. So there's 15 data sets in our list, and because we're going to do this on a repeatable basis, we don't want to have to go in and type in all that information over and over again in our dialog. So we're going to type in SAVESRM, which is going to save the filtering criteria. So now we have our input dialog, and we're going to call this RDG greater than 5 days. And we'll give it a description. RDG data sets greater than 5 days referenced. All right, and we don't have one of these views already out here, but we're going to give it a replace of Y just in case. We may have one. We'll hit PF3 and see. So if you do not have proper member names in here, then you're going to get this message down here at the bottom, blank slash and backslash not valid in name. So we can't have a blank. We can have an underscore. So we're going to put an underscore in each one of these. This is not being saved in a PDS. So because it's not a partition dataset member, it gets saved in a ZFS file system. It's like a registry. And so we can set this up just like we would a Windows file. So we can use our underscore. Now we'll hit PF3 and it has been saved. So we get our informational message that the entry RDG underscore greater than underscore 5 underscore days has been saved. So now that we've saved it using the save command, we would like to bring this report back. So let's say it's later in the month and we're going to type in LOADSRM. If we knew the report by heart, we could just type in LOADSRM and then that report name. But I may not remember because I have a lot of these repeatable reports or reports that I've created. So I'm just going to type in LOADSRM, and it brings up all of the members, as we call them, or the views that we have created, and tells us the view that the data was created from, who created it, so the user, and a description. So we can scroll through here and we'll go find our report. There it is right there. Put an S next to it to select it. Hit PF3 and there's our report. 15 data sets, just like what we had before. And this becomes a repeatable task that we can do all the time. And it is not based on, the report will always be based on the data that's in the VTOC scan master file. So every time it's updated, it's going to be a new set of data. All right. Thank you.